In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a OneDrive share link on Outlook 365. This process is quick and straightforward, perfect for those who want to share files efficiently via email. Let's dive in and make sure you're set up with everything you need to successfully send a shareable OneDrive link. First, you'll want to access Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Outlook, which will take you to the main web page. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click that button. Signing in is a crucial step as it gives you access to your email account and all its features. Once you click sign in, you'll need to enter your email address and password. Ensure you have your credentials handy, as this will allow you to log into your account securely. Input your information, and if prompted, don't forget to authenticate if you have two-factor authentication enabled. Once you're all signed in, you'll find yourself in the familiar Outlook interface. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to start composing a new email. For this, look for the New Mail button, which is usually prominently displayed in the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Clicking this button will open up a new email window, allowing you to address your message to the intended recipient, add a subject, and write your email body. Once you have your new mail window open, it's time to paste the share link from OneDrive directly into the body of your email. Before you do that, make sure you have previously copied the OneDrive share link to your clipboard. If you haven't done this yet, open OneDrive, navigate to the file you wish to share, and use the sharing options provided by OneDrive to get a link that you can copy. With the link copied to your clipboard, simply click into the body section of the email and paste it there. This can often be done by right-clicking and selecting paste, or by using keyboard shortcuts. Take a moment to check that the link appears correctly. You'll want to avoid broken links that can frustrate your recipients. And there you have it. You can now fill in the email with any additional text or personalization you want to convey. And when you're ready, just hit the send button. Your recipient will receive an email with a direct link to the file on OneDrive, making it simple for them to access the shared materials. If you follow these steps, sharing files through OneDrive via Outlook will become second nature in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.